When you come to the mountains, there's a lot of things that you like, right? You love going outdoors. You like skiing, riding, mountain biking. You like to eat. I love to eat. Joining me right now, Mackenzie. Good morning.
Good morning.
Lots of foods coming up here.
Yeah, we've got great specials coming up.
Now this is Vail and Beaver Creek Restaurant Week. Tell me about that. What is this idea based on?
So the idea is to bring in extra people and customers for the restaurants during the off season. So it's September 30th to October 9th, and all of the specials are priced at $20.16 or $2.16. And then we have donation day on October 6th, and that means that 10% of all gross profit or gross sales goes towards the VBF.
Oh, nice. What a great charity to help out. Vail Valley Foundation. They do a lot of community events. They also put on the World Championships, which takes place up here at Beaver Creek. What restaurants are participating in this?
So there's over 36 right now participating between Beaver Creek and Vail. There's a lot of great specials, like over in Vail, Terra Bistro, Sweet Basil, Mountain Standard, and Bowl are all offering their dinner entrees for $20.
You just named some of my favorites.
I know, they're the best. And all of their dinner entrees are $20.16.
Well, they are going to be very, very busy because you have a lot of popular restaurants. It is the off season, and I think, you know, people are kind of tightening their wallets right now, but this really gives them an incentive to get out there and go eat.
Yeah, and like the Dusty Boot is doing a draft punch card for, I think, 6 beers. And then the Blue Moose Pizza is going to do a slice card for 10 slices. I know that Hooked is doing a punch bowl for 2 people for $20.16.
Wow, this is a great deal. And also the Dusty Boot, home of a margarita as big as your head.
Yes.
Like it's like a fish bowl.
I know.
It'd be a good
great.
one to come. Now, this event is taking place throughout the valley, a lot of different restaurants. Do you go to the individual restaurants to sign up, or do you have to register online, or, you know, what are the details for that?
So anyone can participate in it, and then when restaurants decide that they're going to offer something, they just sign up at diningataltitude.com.
Okay, and the website, is that to check it, and you can, the whole list is there?
Yep, all the specials are listed on the website, diningataltitude.com, and then we're just about to send out a PDF with all the listings.
All right, good. Now, any Edwards locations or any down valley, or is it just Vail and Beaver Creek?
Just Vail and Beaver Creek.
All right, what's your favorite?
My favorite? I mean, I love Terra Bistro,
Yeah,
so.
for sure. Yeah, I like that one. Sweet Basil, always popular. Hooked right here in Beaver Creek.
Yeah.
Unreal. Yeah, great sushi. Now, there are a lot of locals that are watching this. Our visitors, though, especially along the Front Range, weekends are very busy. Advanced reservations probably needed for this?
So reservations would be a good thing, but we also have a bunch of lodging deals. We have 14 lodges doing packages right now.
Where? Where are they?
So we have the Arabelle, we have the Park Hyatt, we have the Four Seasons, just a lot of great
yeah, just those, you know, little rinky-dink hotels.
Right?
I mean, look at the Park Hyatt. It's right here. What a great thing. This would be a great, you know, I use the term staycation, really fun one for, you know, mom and dad maybe to get a babysitter for the kids and go out for the night on the town, stay at the Park Hyatt, stay at the Four Seasons.
Right?
What about, I think it's, is it Flame that's at the Four Seasons? Are they a part of this?
Yep, they are doing a special. I don't know it off the top of my head, but they definitely are participating.
So that's a good one. Go stay at the Four Seasons, go eat there, go drink there. You don't have to drive. Turn the kids over to the sitter. Good to see you, Mackenzie.
Good to see you too.
I'm not probably going to see much of you because you're about to be very busy.
Yeah.
Are you going out and participating?
I definitely will be.
All right, well, good to see you. Been hiking lately?
I have, yeah,
Good,
trying to
okay.
get in before it starts snowing again.
All right, well, good to see you. The website once again?
Diningataltitude.com.
You got it, Dining at Altitude. Time now to take it to Gabe. He's got your trail report next.